Okay, so this is one more important concept where most of your interviews will revolve around normalization only, and some part of on primary key and candidate key. Those are the most basic questions, and these are the most asked questions for SQL interviews. So what is a database normalization? Data normalization. So what we are trying to do by doing a normalization in a database, we are trying to reduce the redundancy. What do I mean by redundancy? That means unwanted data, which is not required. I mean, it's not necessary that it has to be in this particular table. It's possible that it can be in some other table, right? So that's a redundant data. So that's what normalization helps us in. It will help us in, let's take an example. Let's say we have one big data, okay? One big data of a school, because we have been taking examples around school only. So one big data around school, that's one single table, and it has names, classes, subjects, and everything, okay? Of students, roll numbers, and everything. So now what we realize, okay, let's do normalization of this data. Why this huge data we have? We can do normalization. So what we did, out of this table, we created one table called student. Okay. Then we created one table called classes. Then we created one table called streams, that can be science, arts, commerce. Okay. And so this is how we created multiple tables. So now it's easy for us to understand. That's what normalization means. Okay, that's what normalization means. So now let's understand how this normalization can be achieved. So there are multiple forms of normalization. There's first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and BCNF. Boys, I don't know the full form. So BCNF we say. And then fourth, fifth, and sixth normal form are not that much important. You guys can read around that. Okay, that will be extension of this. But we usually go till third normal form only. This is very new. Okay, this is BCNF is very new. We can call this as 3.5. This is just extension of third normal form, 3.5 normal form. We can call that. Okay, so let's understand each and every normal form. What is 1NF, what is 2NF, what is 3NF, and what is BCNF.